Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make fantastic fried rice without any egg. The secret to perfect fried rice starts with using day-old cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. You'll also want to gather your favorite vegetables, like 1 cup of diced carrots, 1/2 cup of peas, and 1/2 cup of corn. Don't forget your protein, perhaps 4 ounces of tofu, and your essential seasonings like 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Let's get cooking. Before we even touch the heat, proper preparation is key for this quick cooking dish. First, dice all your vegetables like carrots, peas, and corn into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly in the hot wok. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic and about 1 inch of fresh ginger. These aromatics add incredible flavor. If you're adding a protein, such as 4 ounces of chicken, cut it into bite-sized portions. Having everything ready, or misi in place, makes the stir-frying process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now for the exciting part, the cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil like canola or vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your minced garlic and ginger, stir-frying for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Next, toss in your diced vegetables, cooking them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add your protein, cooking it until it's almost done. Finally, add your cold rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. To bring all those amazing flavors together, it's time to season. Pour in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. For a balanced taste, add a pinch of white pepper and about 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Continue to stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes, making sure all the rice and ingredients are evenly coated with the sauce. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if you like. Finally, garnish your beautiful egg-free fried rice with 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions and serve it hot. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.